Sure, just cut through the parking spots. Holy shit, you're an idiot. Oh, wow, man.
I'm not an ambiturner. It's a problem I had since I was a baby. I can't turn left.
Derek, that's nothing to be ashamed of. I'm sure there are a lot of people out there who can't turn...
Yeah, you totally ran that, idiot.
For playing my request. No, Katie. Thank you. Thank you.
This is the Now Takeover.
This has been pretty...
Wow. Sure, just cut through the parking spots. Holy shit, you're an idiot. Oh, look at that. You just entered in a no entry thing.
West.
Slow? What the fuck is wrong with you back there?
Like for free by Friesen Brothers in-store butchers. The truckload meat sale is on now at Friesen Brothers in Stony Plain in Fort Saskatchewan.
The dark is coming, and it will find you. On city streets, at every corner. The dim skies of sunrise.
I like it, but not enough rotation, and thumbs down. Oh, and I expected more from Scott Hellman, not a fan. Okay, cool. Well, the boss is sitting in his office right now. But instead, if you're
In 1.2 kilometers, turn right on 58 Avenue Northwest.
smell them in your hands for the next little bit, and you don't even mind, do you?
Really?
So mine isn't exactly wrong, but it's wrong in anatomy, they say.
Maybe I can figure out what that was about. This guy's a total dumbass. The driver. He's completely failing to yield to that man crossing.
Turn left on
Oh
Ellerslie Road,
my
southwest.
God.
In 300 meters,
Oh, okay
turn
then.
right.
got a little bit of patience issues there. What the fuck just happened back there? Wow.
Tons of traffic accidents everywhere.
In 1.4 kilometers, turn left on Highway 814.
Are
Yeah, good lord, you're an idiot.
Left, by the way, if you're in that area. 50th Street
Not
southbound
the
on the
smartest
bridge over
place
the
to
yellow
stop,
line. You're going to want to stay right
especially
to get
at morning
there.
rush hour.
Southbound Anthony Henday at the White Mud. That's on the west side. I've got a collision there for you as well. Cops in Upper Tantalon, Nova Scotia got a call earlier this week from someone who saw two suspicious women going into their neighbor's house while that neighbor was away.
Neighbor, they see these two ladies in the house, one with a mop, one with a vacuum cleaner, and calls
Oh,
the
you're a
homeowner
genius.
saying, hey, there's two ladies in your house. So the homeowner calls.
Turn right on 76th Street Northwest.
Yeah, you're like, well, we're getting this done.
We're getting this done.
And did all three of your kids get it?
Yes, they did, except my daughter didn't get
Section of it?
Yeah.
That would be pretty
Yeah, that would be pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh, this text here says, guys, I went to a haunted house. It was in Hollywood.
You've arrived at your destination.
They would shoot. What the hell?
No.
No, I'm not interested.
Oh, yeah.
And I became a personal trainer.
You think?
Now all you have to worry about is like dumbbells, kettlebells, all that kind of stuff.
I guess you're
Completely
too
safe.
desperate to avoid the playground zone. I
This
can't
one here
blame you too
says,
much.
I literally just had a set of blinds fall on my...
You've
You're
arrived at your
stupid.
destination.
Very stupid. Now I'm stupid now. Wow.
Hurry into the new Lowe's Edmonton Gateway. This week, save an extra 15% when you spend $100 or more. That's on top of our sale prices. Save $200 on a Craftsman
such a
24-inch
prick.
two-stage snowblower.
Like, he's
Only
really using his park anywhere he likes to park in a handicap spot. What an asshole.
Turn right. Then
Yeah, it even says no parking there. Oh, it's an old man, of course.
you've arrived at your destination.
Pictures bringing me at the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out.
Turn right on 66th Street. Then turn right on 48th Avenue.
Sure, just cut everybody off
In
up there.
300 meters, turn left.
And we're live. This is live. It's 11.
In 300
Hey,
meters,
you have a stop sign
turn
there.
right. Turn right.
home, personalized, with selections made by you. Choose one of their new builds at framing stage. Make changes to the kitchen right up until the cabinets have been ordered. Or choose paint colors, countertops, the flooring, and watch your personalization come to life. Your only limit is the stage of construction the home.
You can feel free to get off the road at any time there. Oh, there's the cop.
Right now at Chevrolet, get up to 20% of MSRP cash purchase credit on select 28.